In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your Payhip store. Whether you're stepping back from your e-commerce venture or just need a temporary break, closing your Payhip store can be done quickly and efficiently. Let's walk through the process together to ensure you can close your store with ease. First, begin by navigating to the Payhip homepage. You'll need to log into your account if you haven't done so already. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Payhip dashboard, which is your central hub for managing your store. From here, we're going to focus on the next step, which is accessing the Store section. Now, on your Payhip dashboard, look for the Store tab. It should be easily visible and is where you'll find all the essential options for managing your store. Go ahead and click on the Store tab. This will take you to a page where you can see all the details related to your store setup. It's essential to familiarize yourself with this area, as it's where you can make significant changes to your store settings. Once you're in the Store section, you'll be able to see a list of the stores you have built on Payhip. This page provides a comprehensive overview of your online presence, making it easy to manage multiple stores if needed. Take a moment here to locate the specific store you wish to close. It's crucial to ensure that you're selecting the correct store, especially if you have more than one. After selecting the store, look for the Delete button. It's usually positioned within the store's options, allowing for easy access when you decide it's time to close shop. Clicking the Delete button is the final step in this process. However, keep in mind that this action is irreversible, so be sure you want to proceed before confirming the deletion. Once you've clicked Delete, you'll be prompted with a confirmation message. This is a standard procedure to prevent accidental deletions. If you're certain about closing your store, go ahead and confirm the action. Your store will then be closed and you will no longer have access to it through your Payhip account. And there you have it. You've successfully closed your Payhip store. Remember, this process is designed to be straightforward, but it's always a good idea to double-check everything before making such a significant decision. If you ever decide to return to Payhip, you can always create a new store from scratch. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes the process of closing your Payhip store a smooth experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.